Amin from 3rd year. Well, I'm over here to present you all a small surprise which has been planned specially for our teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day. For the first time this year, we have thought of doing something new. So we have come up with a new innovative idea, a new innovative concept of presenting a documentary dedicated specially to our teachers from VOCE students. I'm having my 3rd year classmate, Amish Shukla. So let's go and ask Amish Shukla what does he think about the principal ma'am. So Amish, what do you think about our principal ma'am?
Well, Principal ma'am, yes, she is a unique and dynamic personality, the leading lady of our college, the whole and soul of our college, and she made us who we are. So, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, I do agree with Amish. Ma'am, we really like you a lot. So yes, thank you Amish. This is Amish. So, thank you. I have an entire group sitting over here. So let's go and ask them who is their favorite professor. So these are my friends from 3rd year and 4th year. These are my seniors. She is Manisha, our ex-cultural secretary. And she is Serena, our ex-sports secretary. She is Jinsi. So let's ask Manisha who is her favorite professor.
I like all of them, but then whom I like more is our principal ma'am,
Okay.
the main pillar of our college, OCP. Because when it comes to her teaching, she is very soft, very sweet in explanation. And the thing I like about her is, whenever people have problem, when the student is facing with any of the problem, she is always ready to explain them in any manner, in any line where they are stuck up. And whatever she teaches, she wants all of us to carry it together with proper explanation and good results.
Okay, I do agree with Manisha because principal ma'am is my mentor and really she's very approaching. So let's ask Serena now who is her favorite professor in college.
My favorite professor is Kasa.
Okay,
He's a man with great knowledge.
Okay.
That is why he is one of my favorites in OCP. I like the way he teaches. He has a very different manner. Whatever he teaches, we understand that in the first attempt only. If we don't, then he has another 1,000 manners. He makes it more easier and simpler. That's why he's my favorite.
And one question, which is your favorite Karsa's dialogue? Or any particular words, Arjun?
I like the fest that was in the first year when we were. His favorite was Burji. His favorite was Govandi, Shaw, and many more. Thank you so
Especially
much.
Vada Pav, even I. Okay.
And
Always
Sweet
there.
also.
And the way he says, Madam.
Madam. Okay. We have another person, Jinsi. So let's ask Jinsi. Jinsi, who is your favorite professor?
Yeah, my favorite professor is new to us. He is Vinod sir, the person with great zeal and enthusiasm. He's more than a professor, he's a friend to us and one of the best cultural in charge we could ever get. Always there for us. He's such supportive that whenever we get tired, it's his energy that makes us to do work. And also the concepts in while he teaches, it's all the basics he covers so that whatever it is, we just finish off in class so that it's always in our mind rather than in our books. That's it. He's one of the best professors we could ever get.
Well, I truly agree with Jinsi. So,
We'd like to say something.
yeah, Serena and Manisha wants to say something. Yeah.
We love you, teachers. Happy Teachers Day.
Hi guys, I'm streaming from the second floor. I now have my best friend Amish Shukla with me. Okay Amish, who is your best teacher?
My favorite teacher is Hamida Momin.
And can you justify your answer?
Because she has a vast teaching experience. Her teaching skills, her teaching abilities are also quite good. And earlier I used to think that she is quite strict, but no, she's not.
So what is the best quality of her?
Her best quality is the she's quite friendly, approachable.
Okay, keep everything aside. Can you just remind and tell our guys that what's your favorite dialogue?
Our favorite dialogue, yes, I remember one. Anybody tell me whose DNA?
Okay, so thank you, Amish. Back to you, Steve, from the studio.
I'm having my seniors in front of me, so let's go and ask my seniors who's their favorite professor. So, well, this is Zoya. Hi. This is Janet. Hi. She's our HGS. This is Zeba. Hello. So, Janet, who is your favorite professor?
Sadaf ma'am.
Sadaf ma'am. Okay, the reason?
She has a very distinct personality.
Okay.
She has the property of an ideal teacher, all properties. And her dabang style, we all love it.
Okay. And so, Zeba, who is your favorite professor? Parikshit sir. Okay, the reason?
The wavelength and what he teaches, it's like completely what we want. He teaches on an average teacher scale as well as average student scale as well as what a scholar person wants.
Okay, so even I do agree with Zeba. So this is Zoya. So Zoya, who is your favorite professor?
It's Amjad sir.
Amjad sir. Why? The reason?
Reason is I like his punctuality and his urge to see us in topics.
And which is your Amjad sir's favorite dialogue?
It's absenteeism leads to failure.
Well, thank you guys. It was a pleasure talking to you. So yes, this was my fourth year people, my seniors. So thank you.
Hi guys, this is Jinsi Walsin. I have my friend Mr. Yunus Khan with us. So Yunus, which two sirs you would like to talk about?
Sir, maybe Mohit Khan sir and Imtiaz sir.
Okay. So what's special in them?
They have a magnified personality to whom we look upon. And besides that, they bring practical knowledge to the class. So even our dining class becomes so interesting and the students they concentrate in their lectures and get as much as knowledge they want.
Oh, that is so sweet of you for such words. Thank you, Yunus.
Hello guys, this is Tasin Shah from third year and I have Mr. Vineet Sawan, the sports secretary of our college. So Mr. Vineet, what do you think, who is your best teacher?
Sajid sir.
And can you tell me what do you like about science?
He is the best class teacher we could ever have. You can say he's the heartbeat of sports in OCP.
And can you tell me something very different, what's about Sajid sir's teaching style? Something you can comment on?
You can say his teaching style is very unique and sublime.
Okay, and can you tell the best part of Sajid sir which reflects to the students and the whole college?
He brings flexibility in student and teacher relationship.
So thank you, Vineet. Pleasure.
I'm having my third year classmate, Ziva Shirazi. So come, let's ask Ziva who's your favorite sir. So Ziva, who is your favorite sir?
My favorite sir in this college would be Ashish Dev.
The reason?
That is because he's a very carefree guy and he makes studies look very simple and it's just simple and living with it.
Okay, so do you remember any of Ashish sir's dialogue? Is there any particular dialogue as such?
No.
Any word or anything as such? I mean, no? Oh, okay, so this was Ziva. Thank you, Ziva. It was a pleasure talking to you. And thank you.
Hi guys, this is Vineet Sawan and I have Jinsi with me. Hi Jinsi. So Jinsi, who's your favorite teacher from our college?
I would like to talk about Ganesh.
Why?
He's very simple, sweet, and polite in nature, and he's the person who always tries to make our lessons simple in such a way that once he teaches it, it's very easy for us to remember. Also, he's very approachable whenever we need some help in our studies. He's always there to help us. That's why
Thank you, so sweet.
I'm having my friends Kiran and Dharti. So let's ask Kiran and Dharti who is their favorite professor. So Kiran, amongst the new faculties, who is your favorite sir teacher? Manoj sir and Hemchandra sir. Okay, Manoj sir and Hemchandra sir. Right? The reason, as they are new faculty, the
biochemistry. She makes it very cool.
Okay. Thank you, Dharti. Thank you, Kiran. That was really nice talking to you. So, well, I'm having my third year classmate right in front of me. So let's go and ask her who is her favorite teacher. Okay, so let's go. Well, this is Tanvi Rao Rane. Tanvi Rao Rane from third year. So Tanvi, who is your favorite teacher?
Well, it's Neha ma'am without a doubt.
Why?
She's very sweet, adorable, and the best part is she's always easily available.
Okay. So thank you, Tanvi. It was a pleasure listening to Snehal ma'am. Good words about Snehal ma'am. So thank you.
इधर देखना.
Well, we all look at our teachers, professor and principal. But there are other people who actually assist them. Who are they? They are non-teaching staffs like librarian, lab assistants, etc. They don't teach us any subjects but frequently help in whatever way they can. Whenever you need any help, they are always there to help you out. So these people deserve a massive applause. Thank you. Well, I'm really happy because for the first time I'm getting a chance to enter this zone of our library. So we'll ask our librarians what do they feel about our college. So, well, we'll ask this ma'am. Ma'am, आपको हमारे कॉलेज के बारे में कुछ बोलना है क्या? आपको अच्छा लगता है हमारे कॉलेज के बारे में?
I like to work here because the environment is very good. Students are very good. Our staff members are teaching and non-teaching are also very good. They are perfect. We are enjoyed this the last 7 years to working here.
That was very sweet of you, ma'am. So, even she's one of our favorite ma'am, especially third years and fourth years. So, thank you, ma'am. Welcome.